Hello everyone, welcome to SimTech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys a platform that you can get a lot of Instagram followers and likes from. This platform is called SameBoost, and this platform can help you to get a lot of Instagram followers and likes for your post. Whether you want to get 1,000 followers or 1,000 likes or views or any engagement services you want to get on your Instagram account, this platform can help you to achieve them. So let's go to the platform and check out. So the platform is called SameBoost, and if you want to get access to the platform, you have to go to your browser and search for sameboost.org, like this, the sameboost.org. So this platform provides the best social media services to grow up your accounts and your businesses. They have the unbelievable prices, higher quality engagement, and your data is fully protected. One thing I like about this platform is that you don't need to register an account with them to get access to the followers and likes you want, or you don't need to sign up to any site. You just have to purchase a package, and I'll go through the process of how to purchase the package for you guys. To purchase a package, you have to select a package, you enter your link or your username, then you wait for the result. So if you are Instagram geek and you want to get Instagram followers, you click on this service, the Instagram service. Then you select the packages you want. You can choose either Instagram followers or likes or views. So if you want to get Instagram followers, you click on this package. Okay, so the prices for 500 Instagram followers is just $5, and the price for 1,000 followers is just $10. This is a very cheap price, and they are legit. You can trust this process and get your 1,000 followers into your Instagram account. They don't need your password or anything. Okay, so let's start with the process. Maybe you want to get 1,000 followers on your Instagram account. You click on the purchase now. Then this pop-up will appear. You enter your name, your email. Let me enter my name, your email, and your Instagram profile link. So I'll go to my Instagram account and copy the profile link I want to grow. Okay, so let me search for maybe my Instagram. Okay, so I'll search for this account and I'll tap on the three dots and click on copy profile link. Then I get back to the platform and paste the profile link here. So after that, I'll click on the next button. Okay, so the price for the 1,000 followers, the 1,000 Instagram followers is $10. So you click on the payment method to select the type of payment you want to use to make your payment to get the followers. So you can use the Perfect Money, the mobile money if you are in Ghana, the crypto, or Binance Pay, PayPal. So anyone you want, you select. So let me use the Binance Pay. So I'll click on the Binance Pay, and this Binance Pay, there are details. So I'll copy the Binance ID and go to my Binance and do a payment. And after that, you have to add the screenshot of your payments here. When you are done making your payments, you add a screenshot here so that it will be processed. So I'll go to my Binance and make some payments. So when you are done making your payment, you come back to the platform and you upload the screenshot of your payment you did. So I'll just select the screenshot of my payment and I'll click on order. So I have successfully placed an order. So thank you for choosing SendBoost. We are pleased to inform you that you have received your order. Okay, so they have received my order and I'll be getting my Instagram, the 1,000 followers I place an order, I'll be getting it very soon. So you can check out other services if you want. So maybe if you want to get Instagram likes, you click on the likes button, then you select the one you want. If you want to get 500 Instagram likes on your post, you select this one. If you want to get 1,000 likes on your post, you select this. So if you want to get 1,000 likes, you just go back to your Instagram account, then you select the post you want to get the likes on. So you click on the share, you copy the link, you click on the copy the link to copy the link of that post, then you get back to the platform. Then you click on the purchase now. When you click on the purchase now, you enter your name and your email address, then the link you copied from your Instagram. So you paste the post link here. Then you click on the next button. Then you select the amount you want to make your payment. After that, you add a screenshot of your payment here. Then you click on order. So this is a very simple and easy platform that you can use to get the Instagram followers and likes and views you want on your post. This platform is very legit, and I recommend everyone that want to get a lot of followers and likes to come to this platform and use their services. I have tried and tested their platform and it's very legit. So if this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel as we are bringing you more tips and tricks. Thank you.